So queens, I'm not going to go through all the rows of the faux lock hair they have. They basically, like I said, have your standard faux locks in this store, all kind of colors and the lengths. So if I see anything that really jumps out at me, then I will go ahead and have you guys take a lookie. But it's the normal stuff, Goddess, Passion. I see the bomb twist. I haven't seen any model yet. Now they do have the distress, the 9, 10, and 11 105. So if you guys want to get that, they have it here. And the thing about the butterfly locks, you don't want that bottom tip here to be so thick, because then it's not able to feed through the loop. So make sure, queens, when you guys purchase your butterfly locks, that it's a tip like this, so that you're able to feed it through the loop. Otherwise, you're gonna have to sit there and open up that loop, and then it's just a longer process to do. So you guys make sure you get the small tips for your butterfly locks. Now I'm liking this as well. It is the Wanda 2-time box braid apres. And so this, you probably want to get, it's a, what is the length on here? 20 inch. So you probably want to get, because there's not a lot in the pack. And I always tell you guys, if there's not a lot in the pack, get more. And especially if you have a larger head, then you have to get more. But normally for a pack like this over here, you will only need 2 packs to complete your installation. This pack over here, you're going to need at least, I'm going to say 8 to 9 packs to complete your installation, because they don't give you a lot in the pack. And this pack right here, even though, queens, it says 3 times, normally for a pack of faux lock hair, I would say get 7. But for something like this, even though it says 3 times, I would still get, I would get at least 6 to be on the safe side. Because one thing, you don't want to run out of hair while you're doing an installation. And let me show you a hair that you can get just 7 packs and you will be fine with. Okay, say for instance, let me see. Okay, something like this, I would get 7 packs, something like this. And it does say 2 times. But I would be okay with getting 7 packs of hair, and you should be fine with your installation. Like I said, if your head is larger, get an extra pack. And then for up here too, this would be the same thing. Now, queens, this hair right here, I definitely do not recommend. The only way I would do this installation is you leave it the length that it is, the 20 inch, because once you start cutting this hair, it just looks terrible. I mean, it is just a terrible, terrible look. So if you guys decide to get this hair, you got to know that leave it the length it is. And once you get it in, it is a full head of hair. So if you don't like big hair, do not get the Brazilian braid. If you do not like the big hair. And as you can see, queens, they have tons and tons of this hair. This hair is not moving at all. Okay, here's Cozy Deep. Cozy Deep is an old school hair. This is one of the hairs I would go to if I didn't know what I wanted to do between my installation. But it's a pretty hair. It's just old school. I haven't seen anybody really wearing it, but it is pretty if you don't want that tight look. So here's a picture of what it looked like back in the day. But it's still a nice installation. Here is the forever popular deep twist. They have it in 14 inch and they also have it in 22 inch. 14 inch is nice, and that will get you a little bit past your armpit for length, if you get the 22 inch, you just cut it in half, and that will give you a little bit below your shoulder. And for this hair, you're going to need at least for the 22 inch, you're going to need 3 packs for installation. If you get the 14, you're going to need about 5 packs for this installation. Now, if you do water wave, you're going to need 3 packs of this for your installation. The 22 inch, you're going to need 3 packs. And if you get the 12 inch, you're going to need 5 packs. But there is a slight difference with the look of the 12 inch and the 22 inch. The 22 inch is more natural looking when you put the installation in, and the 12 inch gives you like an in-between look. And they have the 22 inch on sale right now. So if you guys are interested in the water wave 22 inch, they have it on sale for right now. I don't know how long that's going to last, but it is on sale here at Super Sunny's in Conyers, Georgia. Here is the Gogo Curl, and this is the Gogo Curl 26 inch. They also have it in 12 inch. And yeah, 26 and 12. But so the Gogo Curl is either you love it or you hate it. Some people don't mind the TLC you have to do with this hair, but there is some TLC with this hair. And when I wear this hair, I normally wear it in the ponytail. I haven't worn it in a long time, but I normally wear it in the ponytail just because it tangles. And I do love the curl pattern of the Gogo Curl, but it's a little bit of maintenance. Now, if you like the Gogo Curl, the Presto Curl is the same curl pattern, the same family, but a smaller curl. Same curl, but smaller and less tangle. Okay, ladies, this is a nice hair right here. I've done this before. The Crochet Braid Ripple Deep 20 inch, and it comes 3 times. So I would get only 2 packs of this hair for installation. 2 packs. Now here's another favorite, the Brazilian twist. I love this hair. It has a beautiful look and a beautiful flow. This I really, really recommend. It is a beautiful installation. Okay, now here's another one of my favorite hairs for faux locks. I love this. I love the look of this as well. It is beautiful. And what I like to do 2 different types of faux locks. So I'll mix the Montego Gorgeous locks in. And I used to have a Montego Gorgeous lock braid. Okay, here's another favorite, the bomb twist. So they have the large bomb twist, and then they should have the smaller size bomb twist. Okay, here, the smaller size bomb twist. And so I love this look because it's very versatile, and you can do a lot with this hair as far as styling. And it's long lasting. It'll last you for at least 6 weeks, and you only need 7 to 8 packs for this hair. Queens, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments in regards to the hair that was reviewed here, please leave a comment below. I will be doing individual reviews on each of these hairs that I mentioned and more. Be blessed.